Today's video is on the replacement of a cabin air filter for a Camry models 2011-2017 I think. It might be usable for other Camry models, but anyway, here goes. Now to get access to the cabin filter, you've got to get behind the glove box. Now as you can see, it's locked in place, so to get it out of the way you pull that out, push that in, and there it is. Now behind here is where the cabin filter is, and as you can see, you've got these little push-in things. Now you've got to push them both in on both sides at the same time. Now I can't hold the camera and pull that out at the same time, so what I'll do is turn off the camera and I'll pull it out and I'll show you the end result. Now here's the cover, it's come out, and there it is. There's the cabin filter. Let's pull that out, and there it is. Now we've got the old filter and the new filter together. Now as you can see, it's got up. Now this is the way, this is at the front, it's got up. Now this one is the Ryco filter and it's got up, but it's also, they've actually put a little tag on it, so when you've got to replace it down the tray, you use that to pull it out. Let's put it back in. And now we just, as you can see, there's the gap, that's the front, there's a little tag we pull out, it says up, so that's the way we put it back in. There is a distinct difference actually while I'm showing you. It's yellow on that side and that's kind of whitish grey on the downside. So let's just put this bad boy back in. Oops. Slide that in. As you can see, it's in place. Now this, again, you can't get this one wrong, it's actually got written up on it, so we can just put that back in. I'll have to put the camera down to do this one again too. And there it is, as you can see, the cover's back on. Now it's just a case of pushing up the glove box, and bang, and bang. You're both in place. You've done it.